Whether you're trying to gain sales or you're trying to grow a following on whatnot, the live auction site, they've just introduced a couple of new features that may help you to do that. So check them out in today's video. The second one is my favourite. It is a beta program, so it is a bit of a sneak preview on what's going to be coming in the near future and whatnot. So stick around to the end for that one, but let's get into today's video. So welcome back to the channel. I'm Alan, part of 13 Under UK. If you're new here, do check out previous videos. I have been a full-time reseller for a few months. I have followed the history of that. There is a playlist for you to check out. But we're going to get into today a couple of the new features that have come to whatnot in the new year. So I hope everyone had a good new year and Christmas. Seeing the end of the big massive sales and stuff, but the start of the January sales. So with that, whatnot have introduced this new system of a flash sale. So I'm going to show you how to do that today. And I'm also going to show you the new rewards system. Now, I have done some previous videos on setting up the rewards system. I did the first one from season 1, and then I did a recap and as a setup season 2. But I did apply to be part of a beta program for season 2, and I have been accepted on that. So I'm going to show you what that entails and what is coming to whatnot in the next few months. So make sure you stick around to the end to see that new feature. So this is a desktop site. If you only use phone, it's not currently available, this feature on a phone. It's only available on the desktop site. But if you are new to desktop, this side here is where all your actions are. And basically, I'm just going to go to the buy it now. It's a really simple feature to use. You just go to product actions. It'll bring up there start a flash sale. When you do it, first off, it'll ask you how long you want to set it for, how big a percentage discount you want to do, and then it'll run that same flash sale forevermore after that. I have cloned these items over from the previous show into the one that I'm setting up currently, so I can't edit it, but it is really simple to do, so I won't show you that. I'll show you how it works. It runs then, it says at the bottom in a big banner there that you can see that there's a flash sale going for 50% off. Now the one I'm currently doing is for a 10 pack of Beano comic books, vintage ones from the late 80s, early 90s, and I had about 10 available on the show. I've currently got 6 left, so I think 4 sold in the flash sale. But you can see this section here that they were £20. I've given a 50% discount and it's now taken them to £10, and it'll give a timer in big bold there running down saying how many is left. It'll come up at the top of the screen there, as it does when someone purchases something out. You buy it now, and it is a buy it now action, so it will just go at £10. There's no auction bid or anything like that. Really simple features to use. I think it's a great addition. If it is, you have got stock in there that you've had for a while, so the likes of that, that was just mystery bags of 10 comic books, but I do have things in there that have been in there for a while. Like, I've still got 2 of the Dalek magazines left, so where I've got 2 of them left for £6, I may run a flash sale at one time for them and drop it down by 25%, 50%, something like that. But at least now we have the option to do a flash sale. Now this is my favourite new feature I'm going to show you now. So this is part of the beta program, so it won't be coming till the next season, season 3 of the Rewards Club. But you can see there, I'm in the Seller Hub, and I've gone down to Rewards Club to open up my Rewards Club. But you can instantly see, if you do know the rewards and what is different there, but you can see mine are all custom now. So here at 13 Under UK, we do love Alice in Wonderland. You can see now our first reward isn't a bronze. It's still tier 1, but you now fall down the rabbit hole. And we also have a custom little art there that you get, the little avatar badge, a smile saying we're all mad here. So when people do get the bronze award now, I can say you've fallen down the rabbit hole, and with that you get the rewards. But I've set that up in a previous video, so do check that one out. I won't go into all that in this video. I just want to show you these. So then you meet in tier 2, you're going to meet the white rabbit now, who will also gift you some rewards. So we have a custom little avatar badge for that tier as well, so that replaces the silver tier. And then down then we go and meet the March Hare, who obviously has the tea party with the Mad Hatter, again with custom avatars. So we got the little March Hare one, and we got the little Mad Hatter's badge. Then the final rewards that we have, you meet the Cheshire Cat, our good old friend who's always in our backdrops. So that is tier 5, which is our latest one. Now, I'm not sure if I covered it in the previous video. I don't think I did, but if you did achieve one of the higher tiers in season 1 in somebody's show, when you go to the next season, they do carry over, but not as high. So I think my platinum tiers went down to gold, I think it was, March Hare. If I am wrong about that, I'm wrong. They may have come in at Mad Hatter, but I do like this new feature. Let me know in the comments what you think of it. As I I say, it is a beta program, so you can't currently apply, I don't think, to become part of it for this season. But for season 3, I will do another update video for you to check out, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. Appreciate you joining me today for this little episode. If you do want to know anything else, leave it in the comments. I do respond to all of them, and I appreciate all the shares and all the likes, and I'll see you in the next one.